This video, I would like to explain to all of you about how to make folding saw rack. And then, first of all, we have to make a basic shape with a rectangle. We can set the length about the saw rack itself around 2000 millimeter, and then we can set the width of the saw rack around 300 millimeter. Okay, and then we can just push it up. We can push it up around one. Okay, we can push it up around 800 millimeter only. I'm sorry, we can push it up around 500 millimeter and push up more around 500 millimeter more. Okay, we can see about it, and anyway, we can push it up again just a little. It's around 400 millimeter more anyway. So the dimension I will show you with the dimension tool, and you can follow it. Okay, and then you have to erase some unnecessary object, and after that we can offset this edge inside around 20 millimeter. Then we can push it to the back. We can push it to the back around 280 millimeter. Then we can just make it group anyway, and after that we can make a shelf on the middle of this component with the rectangle. Then we can just push it to the left side around 20 millimeter. Then you can make it group, and after that we can move it to the middle and place it to the middle anyway. Then we can make a folded space on this component. We can just use a rectangle. Then we can place on the corner. Okay, and then we can push it to the front. We can push it to the front, and we can make it group. I'm sorry, we can make it group, and then we can just select this with the left click, and then we can push it to a little bit right side, and then we can move it to the front. Then we can make offset from this top edge around 20 millimeter only. Okay, and then we can make dividing from this position by this position anyway. Then we can just push it to the down. We can just push it to down around 200 millimeter, and we can push it to the down again until 450 millimeter. Okay, and after that we can you can see it, but the saw rack that we would make it to be a folded rack anyway. Then we have to make it component, just create it, and after that we can move it to this position, and then we can move and press Ctrl to the another position anyway. Then we can select this path of the component to the left side and move and press Ctrl to duplicate it also. And after that we can rotate this component to show about how to fold anyway. We can fold it to be a horizontal position for the first, and then we can move it, and after that we should make the position. So we have to improve the position. we can just push it to the front just a little bit, around 150 millimeter, and then we can offset it also around 20 millimeter. Okay, and then we can push it to the front until get the limit. You can push it until get the limit around 70. Okay, and then we can know the size of this rack anyway. Then we can just offset this side. We can just make this divider. Okay, we have to push it until this plane anyway. Okay, and after that we can see it about the show rack itself, and then we can just rotate it again. We can rotate it again to the vertical rotation, and then we can just move it to the position anyway. Then we can see about the rotation. Okay, after this all, we have to make sure that when the rack is rotate, it doesn't touch this board anyway. So we have to just click this one of the fourth rack to the another position. Maybe I would like to place it and control it to duplicate it on this position on this left side. Okay, we can see about the rotation right here. Maybe we can just move it. Maybe we can just move it just a little bit. Okay, we have to make sure that this side didn't touch this board when the rack are rotate. Okay, for example, I can just select this side only, and then I have to move on the right side around 90 millimeter. Then we can see about the space. There has space. Okay, and then we can just rotate it. We can just rotate it. Okay, we can see. So when we rotate this right, it doesn't touch this board. So it's safe anyway. Should be safe. Okay, and then we can just erase some unnecessary board, and then I have to move it to the first position, to the beginning position. Okay, and then we can see that this rack has been work well when this rack are open or closed anyway. So and we can erase it and just move it to the upper position to make to visualize the condition when the rack are open or closed anyway. Okay, and after that we can just assign a material. We can assign the material with the synthetic surface, and we can just select this formica laminated light. Okay, and after that we can just make a component. We can just make a decoration of this solar rack with any decoration as you want. Maybe it's about this decoration, maybe, and then we can set the segment around 100s and press enter, and then position on it. Then we can just offset it inside or outside as you want. Just feel free, and then we can just push it to front, and maybe we can set another material or another texture. Maybe it just, for example, okay, maybe something like this. So this is so right. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit and advantage to all of you, and wait for my next video. Thank